Hi, my name is Mark, and I'm an origami artist in the Saginaw area. Some people call me Mr. Origami, but today I'd like to show you how to do a swan dish, and you can use it for Christmas time. It has 7 swans swimming. The type of paper if you have prepared origami paper, that's great. If not, you can go to Walmart or Meijer, get some Astro Brights, and cut it to 6-inch squares. I'm going to use the traditional origami paper so that you can see the difference in the folds, but a solid color will work just fine. So let's begin by folding our paper in half diagonally. To make a triangle, we will fold it again in half to make a smaller triangle. We will open that up, take the raw edge and fold it to the center. And we'll have half of a kite, and we'll take the other edge and fold that to the center. And we'll have a full kite. Now, the crossbar of the kite, if you see through the slit, there's the horizontal mark. We can fold our point up to that bar. That will be our landmark for the neck. Then we will fold halfway down to make the beak and the head. Now we'll fold it in half long ways, like so. The origami magic comes where you pull up like this to make the neck and pinch, and pull out like this to make the head and the beak. Now the fun part about this is that it has 2 pockets in the back. M&Ms or Skittles fill in there real easy. And there we go. And you can serve it as a holiday treat, or you can, if you'd like, you can put someone's name on it and mark their spot at the Christmas table. So happy folding!